Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your Fifine USB/XLR mic AM8 sound better with noise suppression and noise gate in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the audio mixer section. This is where you'll find all your audio sources and have access to their individual settings. The audio mixer is typically located at the bottom of your OBS interface and displays all active audio inputs. Now, locate your Fifine USB/XLR mic AM8 in the audio mixer. Right beside the microphone name, you'll see a small icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Filters. This will open a new window where you can apply different audio effects and enhancements to improve your microphone's performance. In the Filters window that appears, look at the bottom left corner. You'll see a plus sign button. Click on this plus button to add a new filter, and from the list that appears, select Noise Suppression. This feature helps eliminate background noise and unwanted sounds from your audio. After selecting it, click OK to confirm and add this filter to your microphone. Once the noise suppression filter is added, you'll notice a drop-down menu within its settings. Click on this drop-down and make sure it's set to RN noise. This is the recommended option as it provides good quality noise reduction, though it does use more CPU resources. The trade-off is worth it for the cleaner audio output you'll achieve. Next, you'll want to add another filter to further refine your audio. Click the plus button again in the bottom left corner, and this time select Noise Gate from the list. Click OK to add this filter. A noise gate works by cutting off audio below a certain volume threshold, which prevents quiet background noises from being picked up when you're not speaking. Now, navigate to the close threshold setting within the noise gate filter. You'll see a slider that you can adjust. Move this slider to the left side and set the value to -42. This threshold determines the volume level at which the gate will close and stop transmitting audio, effectively cutting out those unwanted quiet sounds. After that, navigate to the open threshold setting. Similarly, use the slider and move it to the left side, setting this value to -38. This threshold controls when the gate opens to let your voice through. The difference between these two values creates a smooth transition that prevents the audio from constantly cutting in and out. Finally, once you've configured both filters to your preference, locate the close button in the bottom right corner of the filters window and click it. This will save all your settings and apply the noise suppression and noise gate to your Fifine AM8 microphone. Your microphone should now sound significantly clearer with reduced background noise and better overall audio quality. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.